Welcome to Trusted Product Vault Channel.
52-inch modern black ceiling fan with light and remote control. Looking to upgrade your home with something that's both stylish and functional? Meet the 52-inch modern black ceiling fan with light and remote control, a perfect blend of modern design, powerful performance, and everyday convenience. First, let's talk about design. This ceiling fan features a sleek black finish with a modern dual-blade look that instantly elevates any space. Whether it's your living room, bedroom, or even a covered patio, this fan adds a clean, contemporary touch that fits right into today's home styles. But it's not just about looks, this fan is built for performance. At the heart of it is a high-efficiency DC motor. That means you get strong, consistent airflow while keeping noise to a minimum. In fact, it's so quiet, you can comfortably use it while sleeping, working, or relaxing without any distraction. And here's something you'll really appreciate: energy savings. Compared to traditional ceiling fans, the DC motor uses significantly less electricity, helping you stay comfortable without worrying about your energy bill. Now let's talk about comfort all year round. This fan comes with a reversible motor, which means it works in both directions. In the summer, it pushes cool air down to keep your room fresh and comfortable. In the winter, simply reverse the direction to circulate warm air that rises to the ceiling, helping you maintain a balanced temperature and reduce heating costs. You're not stuck with just one lighting option here. This fan includes 6 adjustable color temperatures, also known as 6 CCT, so you can switch between warm, soft lighting for a cozy evening, or bright, cool light for working, reading, or daily tasks. And the best part? You control everything with ease using the included remote control. No need to get up or reach for a wall switch. You can adjust the fan speed, change the light settings, and even switch the airflow direction, all from the comfort of your couch or bed. Let's also talk about versatility. This 52-inch ceiling fan is ideal for medium to large rooms, making it perfect for bedrooms, living rooms, dining areas, and home offices. Plus, it's designed for both indoor and covered outdoor use, so you can also install it in patios or porches, as long as it's protected from direct rain. Installation is straightforward for most setups, but if you're not familiar with electrical work, it's always a good idea to have a professional handle it for you. So, what makes... And one more thing worth mentioning: durability and long-term value. This fan is built with high-quality materials designed to last, so you're not just buying a ceiling fan, you're making a smart investment in your home. The LED light is also long-lasting, which means fewer replacements and less maintenance over time. Plus, the modern design isn't going out of style anytime soon. It's a timeless look that will continue to match your home as trends evolve. If convenience matters to you, you'll love how simple it is to use every day. From adjusting the brightness to switching fan speeds, everything is designed to make your life easier and more comfortable. So whether you're upgrading your current fan or installing one for the first time, this is a reliable, stylish, and energy-efficient choice. Don't settle for ordinary, bring home comfort, style, and performance with the 52-inch modern black ceiling fan with light and remote control today. If you like or buy this product, go to my website and click on Buy Now button.